Hey everyone, let's talk about Moody Bible Institute and what it believes about the roles of men and women in ministry. First off, a little background. Moody Bible Institute, or MBI, has been around since 1886. That's over 130 years, training Christian workers, pastors, missionaries, teachers, musicians, you name it. All rooted in the vision of D.L. Moody. He was all about practical ministry, training people to actually serve, not just to sit in classrooms. Think street-level, hands-on, real-world ministry. Their mission? Equipping people to share the gospel and make an impact no matter where they are. But what about their beliefs on men and women in ministry? MBI's foundation is the Bible, and their approach is shaped by a traditional evangelical reading of Scripture. Bottom line, both men and women are equal in value, dignity, and worth before God. Both are called to serve, both are called to learn, both are vital to the church. MBI encourages women to pursue biblical and theological education. You'll find women teaching, discipling, leading, on campus and beyond. On church leadership, specifically pastor or elder, Moody holds a complementarian position. While men and women are equal, Moody believes God designed distinct roles for leadership in the church. They point to passages like 1 Timothy 2 and Titus 1. MBI teaches that preaching and overall local church leadership, the role of pastor or elder, should be carried by qualified men. That doesn't mean women are sidelined, far from it. Women at Moody are trained to teach, lead, evangelize, disciple, serve in missions, and make a massive difference in ministries, both inside and outside the church walls. They can teach in Christian education, write, lead worship, serve in global missions, and work in nearly every area of ministry. MBI's history includes influential women. Emma Dreyer. She organized prayer and fellowship that helped lead to Moody's founding. So what does this look like in real life? If you're a woman called to ministry, MBI is all about equipping you for whatever God has for you. Except based on their reading of Scripture for senior pastoral leadership in a local church. That's where they land. Moody trains gospel workers, men and women, passionate about making a difference. Their belief in distinct roles aims to follow their understanding of Scripture while serving the church faithfully. Want to dig deeper? Check their full statement of beliefs or visit their website. Thinking about ministry? Moody's about helping you get there. Thanks for listening. If this helped, hit like, leave a comment. See you next time.